So now I'll show you how to create your first Plaquette sketch. So you'll like, once your library is installed, you can go in the file menu, and select new sketch, and this will open up this empty sketch. The sketch comes with the basic functions from Arduino, which are void setup and void loop. And these are not functions that we're going to use in Plaquette. You'll have to change that. So this is kind of the hardest part of getting started. Like, you'll always have to do that, but then like you'll be all set after that. So first thing you'll want to do is do this hashtag include, and then you go with this character smaller than Plaquette.h and larger than. The Plaquette is spelled with the uppercase letter and everything else lowercase, so the casing is very important. And then the other thing you'll have to do is change these two functions. So replace setup and loop by instead using begin and step.